Can I see your babies? Can you turn around right there and show me your babies? Come forward. Let's see. What are their names?
Lena and Kevin.
Oh, how cute. And are they cousins to these babies here?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's nice. And when did you get these babies?
I don't really know.
Did you have them a few months ago?
Yeah. I was Katrina for 3 months and Kevin for just 1 day.
Let me see your hair so we can show Mama Peaches how pretty your hair looks today. And let's see your outfit, honey. Ta-da! She's a ballerina. Woo! Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's a nice video.
Let's get going.
We're going to send it to Peaches, okay? What are you going to say to your mama?
I love you.
I love you, Mommy. Peaches.
And I miss you, Mama.
Yeah, I know you do, honey. All right, well, your babies are very beautiful.